Hello everyone. Welcome back to Maggi Minutes by eKuhipath. Aji loi ahisu PM DHANYA KRISHI YOJANA. The Prime Minister DHANYA KRISHI YOJANA, in short PMDKY, is major agricultural initiative launched under the Union Budget 2025-26 by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Launched korisile in this year 2025 February 1 tarikhe. Implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. ইয়াৰ লক্ষ্যটো হৈছে to enhance irrigation and land fertility by providing quality seeds and fertilizers to farmers in infertile, barren and undeveloped agricultural land. যোনখিনি খেতি কৰিব পৰা মাটি আছে সেই মাটিখিনি যোনখিনি নেকি ইনফাৰ্টাইল হয়, barren হয়, underdeveloped হয়, সেইখিনি ভাল কৰি তুলিবলৈ এই গোটেই স্কিমখন অনা হৈছে। তাৰ কাৰণে irrigation আৰু land fertility কৰাবলৈ তেওঁলোকে high quality seeds and fertilizer provide koribo. It will cover 100 districts based on 3 broad parameters: low productivity, moderate crop intensity, and below average credit parameters. So, ekhokon district teoloke cover koribo. Aru e ekhokon district concept to teoloke aspiration district program to pura inspire hoy loise. It draws inspiration from the aspirations district program. The program is expected to benefit 1.7 crore farmers. But 1 crore farmers will 1.7 crore is a better number. Across the identified districts, PMDKY does not have a stand-alone budget allocation, but will be funded through the convergence of existing agriculture schemes under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. That was all for the particular scheme we studied today. See you in the next class. Thank you.